If you're like us and everybody else, you're seeing all the negativity and all of the websites with all the doom and gloom going on. Yeah, there's stuff going on in the world. There's always things going on in the world. Sometimes it's worse than others. But we need to stay positive. We need to remain focused on taking care of ourselves and our families. And the best ways that we can do that is by preparing. We can grow as much of our own food as possible. We can shop local and support our local businesses and our local economies and help each other through these things without all the gloom, doom, and despair and agony on me. Take action. Let's do something about it. It doesn't do anybody any good to complain about it. Yeah, there might be an economic collapse or there might be a housing shortage, but it's anybody's guess. Nobody knows. Nobody has a crystal ball. It's all speculation. So we just need to ride the storms out. Life is full of storms. We all have them. Some people at different times in their life, and some nations all at once. So we just need to support each other as best we can and stay focused and positive on the things that we can do for ourselves. And living on a homestead and a farm is certainly one way to do that. And I encourage everybody to grow as much of their own food as they can. Store as much of that as you can in whatever means you have, whether it's canning, freeze drying, dehydrating, whatever methods there are. It's a good time to do those things even if there's not an economic collapse or any of the food shortages that they keep talking about. So it's always good to be prepared anyway. So keep an eye on the storm, but don't live in fear. Let's rise above that and just stay focused on what everybody needs to do. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time on the farm. Bye-bye.